Yo, Trevor, Facebook is dying. Stop wasting your time here.
I don't know, Sparky. I put this video up a week ago and it seems to be doing okay. What's up, guys? Trevor here, Hollywood editor turned full-time real estate agent. On this channel, I help realtors and other entrepreneurs grow their businesses using video. If you want to stand out over everybody else in your market, hit that subscribe button right now and rock that bell. Some people think that Facebook isn't the cool place to be. The kids are fleeing now that mom and dad are here and Facebook is dying. I'm no financial wizard, but kind of looks to me that Facebook's doing all right. Here's some fun facts. The #1 social media platform in the world, Facebook. Number 2 is YouTube, my personal favorite. And by the way, 4 of the top 6 social media platforms in the universe, because to my knowledge, other planets don't have social media, but I could be wrong. Correct me on that. 4 of them are owned by Facebook. In case you're wondering what they are, it's Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The most common age demographic for Facebook, it's not 105 like your kids would have you believe, but rather 25 to 34. Here's a secret. Sometimes 25 to 34-year-olds buy houses. 1.56 billion people log into Facebook every single day. Did you know that 93% of Facebook ad revenue is on mobile? What are you gonna do with that information? 510,000 comments are posted on Facebook every 60 seconds. That's a lot of engagement. You know, everybody says Facebook is shrinking. Well, there are 5 new profiles created on Facebook. That's new profiles every single second. So do you think you should be on Facebook if you have a business?
Yes?
I for sure don't mean scrolling down Facebook's newsfeed to see how Janie's fake social media life is better than your fake social media life. Seriously, don't do that. It's kind of embarrassing. What I do mean is that you should be on Facebook every single day. A, to post something of value to people that are following you, and B, to come back and like and comment every single time somebody comments on one of your posts. Engage. You should also be engaging in Facebook groups by providing value there, answering questions, and commenting in Facebook groups when you have value to add. I've got a video about that right there. It's a great place to be if you own a business. But what should you be posting on the Facebooks? You could post links. Okay, there it is. Hey man, that $1.5 million house, not listed yet, but we might have a buyer already. So I'm, doing deals. But exactly what should you be posting? Well, you could post links, but links do pretty terrible. 0.2% of the top 500 Facebook posts last year were links. That's 0.2%, not 2%. So you probably don't want to post links unless they're friggin' amazing. You could post text. Text is okay if it's compelling. Write something cool. And that whole picture being worth 1,000 words thing, well, it's true. 18% of the top 500 Facebook posts last year were photographs. But what does better than links, text, and photos combined? You guessed it, video. Which, as you know, is my favorite kind of content to post. Video on Facebook gets 59% more engagement than photos on Facebook. And of the top 500 Facebook posts last year, video was 82% of them.
Let me jump in here real quick, Trev. Is there something better than uploading a video to Facebook every week for engagement? Yes, there is. Facebook Live. It gets 6 times the engagement of an uploaded video. Gold mine. Do a Facebook Live every week at the same time and you will crush it. Your business will grow. You can thank me later.
So how often should you be posting on Facebook? Well, the general consensus is that you should be posting once a day. And if you've got more than 10,000 followers, you can post more than that. I disagree with that. I don't think you can post too much. People that are killing it in social media, take the Grant Cardones and the Gary Vaynerchuks, they are posting constantly. If you're in front of everybody's face constantly, they're gonna know who you are. Some people won't like it. Some people go, oh, you post too much. So what? They're not people anyway. If you're posting content that provides value, I don't think you can post too much. Post 2, 3, 4 times a day on Facebook, and I think it'll be good for you. Here's a power tip. Post engaging content, but don't post engagement bait. That's spam that's designed to make people comment like, oh, I gotta comment on this thing. But it's spammy stuff like, hey, comment below if you live on this beautiful house on this island in the ocean. And then you have to comment. And it's just kind of spammy, and Facebook can sniff that stuff out and they will block that content. So don't do that. About half the engagement any post will ever get on Facebook is within the first hour after it's posted. So it's important to post at the right time when your followers are online. To learn when that is, I got a video about it right there. You should check it out. Should you post business or personal stuff? Well, you should probably be posting about 80% personal stuff and 20% business. The goal is to get them to know you, like you, and trust you and see you as a regular person, not to give them a sales pitch all day, every day. If you do that, they're gonna check out of your feed. The best kind of content is video. You should be uploading a video to Facebook at least once a week, and you should be doing Facebook Lives as much as possible. Every day would be amazing. And don't forget Facebook Stories, also growing like gangbusters. In the beginning of this video, I showed you the stats on a video I recently uploaded to Facebook. It got a ton of engagement because it was shareable. It was content that people connected with. It made them feel things. If you can create videos that your audience will connect with and share with others, you've hit the jackpot. The best video length, 3 minutes to 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Those videos get watched the most. Vertical or horizontal videos, what should you do? This one hurts a little bit. I came from Hollywood, man. All the movies are horizontal. Our eyes are set in our sockets in our skulls horizontally. We're meant to see things like this, not like this. However, some genius figured out that phones should be vertical. Most of Facebook content is consumed on phones. If you're creating content that is exclusively for Facebook, make it vertical. Do I do that? Not usually. If I'm doing a Facebook Live, yes, I'll do that. But if I'm creating content that I'm going to upload, it's usually going to go to Facebook. That's my primary target, so I make it horizontal, and then I just kind of leave it that way for Facebook. But ideally, content on Facebook should be vertical. You get more views because it takes up more of the screen. It's going to grab more people's attention that way. For that video on the best time to post to Facebook, go ahead and click right there. For more awesome tutorials on making killer videos, click that. Don't forget to subscribe. Can't wait to see the stories you have to share.